Have you ever wondered why some people never seem to get sick? What is the reason behind their healthy personality? What if I told you that there is a mysterious fruit that might just hold the key to your health goals? Yes, there is a fruit that has been a well-kept secret in the world of nutrition. Today we'll unlock its potential. In this video, we'll be discussing the story of a woman who transformed her life by unlocking the potential benefits of that fruit. So let's get started. Meet Samantha, a dedicated professional balancing a hectic life. She's been visiting the doctor frequently and has recently been experiencing fatigue. Her demanding job, a lack of time for self-care, and frequent health issues were taking off a toll on her well-being. But one day, Samantha stumbled upon something that could change her life: a simple, humble apple. Curious about the saying, "an apple a day keeps the doctor away," she decided to explore the magical world of apples. And what she discovered was truly astonishing. As Samantha dug deeper into her research, she uncovered the incredible nutritional power of apples. Apples are not just an ordinary fruit, but they are a nutritional powerhouse. Fiber for digestive health. Apples have lots of fiber, which helps your digestion and makes you feel full. Vitamins for immunity. Apples are rich in important vitamins like vitamin C, which makes your immune system stronger and keeps you healthier. Antioxidants for cell protection. The antioxidants in apples protect your cells, helping you stay youthful and full of energy. Inspired by these revelations, Samantha decided to make a change in her life. Incorporating an apple into her daily routine, she experienced a remarkable transformation. Samantha's energy soared, her immune system became robust, and her visits to the doctor grew fewer and further between. But what is the science behind Samantha's incredible transformation? Let's dive deeper into it and discover some mind-blowing benefits of apple. Health benefits. Apples have been associated with a number of benefits that could help promote long-term health. Benefit number 1. Highly nutritious. Apples are loaded with important nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. One medium apple provides the following nutrients, starting off with calories as 95 grams, carbs as 25 grams, fiber as 4.5 grams, vitamin C 9% of the daily value, copper as 5% of the daily value, potassium as the 4% of daily value, and vitamin K as 3% of daily value. Benefit number 2. Supports heart health. Studies show that eating more apples could be associated with lower risk of several chronic conditions, including heart disease. Benefit number 3. Contains cancer-fighting compounds. Apple contains several compounds that may help prevent cancer formation, including antioxidants and flavonoids. Benefit number 4. Support weight loss. Due to their fiber content, apples have been shown to promote feeling of fullness, decrease calorie intake, and increase weight loss. Coming up at the 5th benefit is improved bone health. Humans, animals, and test tube studies have found that eating a higher amount of fruit could be associated with increased bone mineral density and a lower risk of osteoporosis. Benefit number 6 is promote brain function. Animal studies suggest that eating apples could help reduce oxidative stress, prevent mental decline, and slow signs of aging. Benefit number 7 is protect against asthma. Studies show that an increased intake of apples may be linked to a lower risk of asthma. And the last but not the least benefit is reduce the risk of diabetes. According to one large review, eating one apple per day was tied to a 28% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes compared with not eating any apples at all. Samantha's story is more than just her own. She shared her newfound knowledge with friends and family. Together, they embraced the simple yet powerful act of enjoying an apple a day. Samantha's apple adventure became a journey of transformation, health, and happiness. So remember, it's not just a saying, it's a delicious and a healthy reality. Join Samantha and start enjoying the wonderful benefits of apples today. And now don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos.